Hello dear students, greetings of the day. In today's video, we are going to see the different field test which is conducted on the cement. The following are the field tests conducted on the cement to take an instant decision about rejection or acceptance of the cement just arrived on site. However, to check the quality of cement, further laboratory testing is required to carry it out in details. So, first field test which is conducted on cement is date of packing. It is very important to check the manufacturing date of cement which is printed on the cement bag. The strength of cement decreases as the age of cement increases. It is observed that almost 25% strength of cement is lost after 6 month time if cement is not used. Therefore, the cement should be used before 3 months from the date of manufacturing. So while purchasing the cement, we should check the date of manufacturing before purchasing. Therefore, it is very important to check the manufacturing date of the cement. As we know, the strength of cement decreases as the age of cement increases. Therefore, fresh cement has 100% strength, but if we use the cement after 3 months, there will be reduction in strength by 15%. Similarly, after 6 months, it will be 25%. After 1 year, it will be 40%, and after 2 years, reduction in strength will be 52%. Second field test, that is color of cement. So for this test we have to check the color of cement. So for that, open the bag and take a look at the cement. The color of cement should be greenish grey and it should be uniform in color throughout the bag. Third field test, that is presence of lumps. So open the bag and take a look at the cement. There should not be any visible lumps. Thrust your hand into the cement bag and there should not be any lumps inside also. Any bags which contain such lumps should be rejected. Next field test, that is adulteration test. So take a pinch of cement and rub between the fingers. It should give a smooth feeling and not a gritty feeling. Fifth one, that is temperature test. When you insert your hand in the cement bag, it should give cool feeling. Next one, float test. Take a sample of cement from the bag and throw it in a bucket full of water. It should float for some time before it sinks. Next field test, that is setting time. So for this test, a thick paste of cement with water is made on a piece of glass plate and it is kept under water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it should set and not crack. So for this test, we required the cement and water. So first of all, we have to take the cement. It will mix with water and we have to just prepare a briquette of cement paste as shown in the video. That briquette will immerse in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, that cement paste will set and not crack, as shown in the video. Next field test, that is strength test. The strength of cement can be roughly ascertained in the following ways. Briquettes with a lean mortar or weak mortar are made. The size of briquette may be about 75 mm by 25 mm by 12 mm. The proportion of cement and sand may be 1:6 proportion. So for this test, we have to take the cement sand proportion as a 1:6, and it will be thoroughly mixed on the non-porous plate as shown in the video. So for this, we have to make the lean mortar, that is cement content should be less than 10%. So after preparing that briquette having size 75 mm by 25 mm by 12 mm, the briquettes are immersed in water for a period of 3 days. If cement is of sound quality, such briquette will not be broken easily, and it will be difficult to convert them into powder form. So as shown in the video, that briquette will look like, and it will not be broken easily, and it will difficult to convert into the powder form. So this is about the different field test.